Hi guys, me Safa Mariam from class 9th A. Recently I got an opportunity to read a very interesting book named The White Tiger. It was the debut novel by Indian author Aravind Adya. Actually, it was the first novel in my life. Even the anchored reader in me was able to appreciate Aravind Adya's The White Tiger, which pens down thrilling poverty-struck realistic life of Indian population. The simple language makes every word and the soul of the book understandable and enjoyable. The White Tiger is an excellent choice for the beginners for whom the novels are still a contraption. I didn't know the author till 2008 before he got the Man Booker Award for his first book, The White Tiger. When I read this book, I fall in love with the writing style of author. The book was published in 2008 and won 14th Man Booker Award in the same year. His book deals with the problems of contemporary India. It is current problems and situation of India. It is easy for us to relate this with two different types of India. India of darkness, which is poor. India of light, which is prosperous. If you read this book, you can connect yourself with poverty, corruption and class struggle, etc. Our society illustrates our servant and these are discussed in this book. The White Tiger is a narrative novel on social, political and economic situation of Indian democracy, which bring humor. The story is narrated through the lens of illiterate servant, murder, driver, philosopher Balram Hawai. It is the story of success and it also tells us the ill of society. The evidence of the book shake our conscience and force us to see the things from different angle. It also converted into a movie with the same title, The White Tiger. Now, let's come to the book The White Tiger. It is a journey of a protagonist Balram Hawai, who traveled to darkness to light. Darkness symbolizes poor and light symbolizes richness. He was a man who managed to climb the social ladder. He was the son of a auto rickshaw driver who went from being a shopper to a successful businessman in Bangalore. A novel is written in first in a person and addressed to Mr. Jaibo, a Chinese premier. It comprises of 7 chapters and written in 7 different nights. He belonged to a poor family in the village of Lakshmangarh. In school, he was labeled the White Tiger because of his intelligent and smart activities. But unfortunately, he had to drop out his school at very young age in order to support his family. Balram begins working in a tea shop and soon wishes to go to city. He takes inspiration from a bus conductor, learn driving and go to Dhanbad to offer his services. He was finally employed by one of the landlord in Lakshmangarh. The landlord, when he refers to as the stock, has 2 sons, Ashok and Mukesh. Ashok needs a driver and Balram is perfect fit. This family make all of its money by running an illegal business and constantly bribe ministers and a lot of important people in government. In order to maintain their lifestyle initially, Balram is very loyal servant to them. He keeps all their secrets safe, but Balram forced to take a drastic step which changed everything for everyone. He decided to murder someone. Who does he murder? Why does he murder? That is something attracts this novel. Now, coming to my personal thought, I absolutely love this novel. It's very exciting and amazing one. It's truly rare feeling which you will forget a word for 10 hours. Now, Balram as a person is someone who secures a lot of irony in the way the India is projected to outsiders. You know, the Prime Minister constantly show the India a economically prosperous country and full of promises. But people like Balram, who belong to the underprivileged section of society, they know the real truth because actually they had faced it. For them, every single deed of this is like do or die situation. It is easy for them, but we as privileged people, we never question the system, which has been designed certain statutes like caste, religion and gender. All of these things has been still used. Now also poor remains poor and rich remains rich. If you are looking through this novel, that kind of exposes and goes into depth in the class struggle and social hierarchy. The book has so good and it has set the bar of my expectations so high. This book also discusses about the corruption in education, medical and politics, etc. It also raises the issue the most of rich people pretend to be moral, but actually they are immoral to be preserve their wealth and power. They do variety of unethical things. So, hope you will all read this book. Thank you. Have a nice day.